Hello HVCC members, we're doing a little video on how to fix a ball mark so we can keep our golf course great all year. We're calling it a 1+1 initiative. We're going to fix our ball mark plus one more on the green. So I've just fixed my extra ball mark, and this is my mark that I hit up here into the green. So what I'd like to demonstrate is when we do this, we're trying to push the turf in to the ball mark, not pop it up. So as you can tell, I'm pushing in and in and in and twist a little bit. So you see how that ball, it's all kind of fluffy now? Now I'm going to take my putter, tamp it down, and it should be really smooth. So let's keep working on this 1+1 initiative out here so we can have great golf conditions all year. Thank you.